Hello, good evening. There's Lisim Poy, the retired man. My son Limincho Alfonso is not home. This is latest uh, little groceries from Giant Supermarket, IMM Mall, Jorong, Singapore. Okay? Just now I have a video there, grocery. I just upload only when we came home. I forgot. So this is the thing, our little grocery, May 21, 2026. I had bought this bed sheet, okay? It's a king size bed sheet, okay? It's not cheap, only for $16. And then I bought power pot, rice cooker, because the rice cooker 2 days ago spoiled, okay? Ano na, hindi na magamit, sira na. And then, yes, at home Blackford, the work of I get some beignet, get some drinks, get some peanuts, get some bread, more bread, chicken and pork. And this is my son, Burger King. This is separate, okay? Then I use my POSB, okay, to pay. And then this one, okay, Giant Supermarket. I use my PNB, okay? Yes. Enjoy. Atong Blackford, the world of Singapore. Bread, more bread, okay? Enjoy Singapore. Latest little groceries and the rice cooker and the bed sheet, okay? This is only like $86 something, okay? Less than 100. I use my PNB. Ay, what to do, people? Yeah, very tough. Life very tough. Enjoy, folks. Atong Blackford, the world of Singapore. Latest little groceries from Giant Supermarket, IMM Mall, Jorong, Singapore. There's Lee Simpoy. Okay. My son named Alfonso is not home. May 21, 2026. Enjoy, Singapore.